Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, open Visual Studio Code and focus on the Explorer panel. Once done, choose where the new folder will live, inside the current workspace or on disk. Make sure you have right permission for that path. You can use the workspace route for project organization. Alternatively, create a project-specific folder in your file system. Now position the Explorer with the file's view visible. That lets you create a folder instantly, without switching applications. Now create the folder. Right-click on the workspace route or a parent folder in Explorer and pick New Folder. You will see an inline rename field. Type a clear, file system safe name and press Enter to commit. If you prefer keyboard flow, focus Explorer and use the New Folder command via the command palette or a custom shortcut. Once created, VS Code immediately shows the folder in the tree so you can add files, drag resources, or open terminals scoped to that folder. Finish by adding files. Right-click the new folder and choose New File or drag items from your system. Once populated, open an integrated terminal with that folder selected so commands run in the correct context. Make sure settings like Files. Exclude Do Not Hide the folder. If the folder doesn't appear, check file system permissions and confirm VS Code has access. Reload the window or restart the app to refresh the Explorer. If problems persist, inspect developer tools for errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.